TGIF, welcome everybody to a special ride along with me, as always. So I had a little bit of a theory after yesterday. I believe, my little theory is that everybody up here in Redding only orders Uber Eats for Starbucks, or they order it through the website, whatever. But that's literally the only Uber Eats orders I've been getting every time I come up here. So today I'm gonna test that theory out because I'm genuinely curious. And like I've said in past videos, I really like the Uber Eats platform. So we're gonna go through all of, ooh, this one wants my regular face. We're gonna go through all the steps to get going, and we're gonna try that theory out. Okay, now I can take the precautions. That mask inside out, because I didn't get a chance to do laundry last night. Hey, take the goddamn picture. Yes, I washed my hands. Alrighty, so we're online in Uber. Look at that. Starbucks. So since it's only about 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna stick to this theory and see if it actually works out. I'm gonna give the Uber Eats an hour just by itself. No multi-apping or anything weird like that. Unless I just straight up don't get any orders, then I'm just wasting my time. So I'm gonna give that a try, and then I'm gonna see how that turns out. Well, I'm not even at the drop-off yet. I've gotten another one. Oh, look at that, Starbucks. Well, that's new. Subway, but I'm not taking that one because it's only $4. So it looks like Uber's already kind of died off. I'm not giving up on it yet. I'm still going to make it priority. Logged on to GrubHub, which I'm not holding my breath for anything. Roadie, there's absolutely nothing. Again, not too worried about that. And then DoorDash just turned busy. So I'm thinking I'll just dash now. Wow, I got a GrubHub order from a bagel place. I think I'll do it just because I haven't done GrubHub in a while. Einstein Bagels. Weird name. Does that mean they're smart bagels? Or just crazy bagels? Smart and crazy bagels. Not too bad. $12 from the hearth? Absolutely. So super random observation. Not wearing a hat while doing this job is actually kind of a detriment, especially for somebody like me who wears sunglasses like 90% of the time. Where the hell am I going? The map's all messed up. This morning I got up, pretty good mood, so I figured I'd do my hair. I kind of need my hat to put my sunglasses on, and I don't know. Look at that! Another Uber Eats from Starbucks! I have never been in Starbucks so much in my life. Okay. Back down where I came. I've only been doing this 2 hours, and if I'm counting cash tips and this order that I'm currently on, where am I at? I'm about between $65 and $70. It was quick math in my head, so I could be off, but that's about where I'm at. So I'm actually really amazed because it feels slow right now, but I guess not. So this note is leave at the door, please do not knock. So, legitimate question. If you have a reason why you don't want people to knock, let me know down in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. Like, are they trying to keep it from somebody? Are they trying not to wake a baby? Because usually they put on their have baby, don't knock. I mean, I don't mind. It's in their hands once I drop it off. I have to take a photo. So let's just say I'm at $30 with Uber Eats. Between GrubHub and DoorDash, I made 24 bucks. So that's what, $64 and then $15 in tips, in cash tips. 79, not bad. It's only 11:12 and I started at 9. I'm not complaining. In case you're wondering, alcohol stings are this week because we haven't been reminded enough. We just got a GrubHub, Carl's Jr., $17. There's an ant on me. Huh. Okay. You'll never guess what I got. A Starbucks order. So a quick little side note, which it just popped up on my phone. Postmates has joined Uber. I have no idea what that's about, but it told me to update the app, but of course I closed it. So I'll have to update it after. Oh, there's my sunglasses. I'll have to update it after this order and see what comes of that. I'm really curious. I'm wondering if that means more orders or if Postmates is still going to be its own thing or what. I guess I haven't heard of any of this. Alrighty, so I'm going to run in there, grab the order, and go from there. Well, this is definitely a first. A 1.1 modifier, pay modifier, whatever it's called. And I've never driven with a modifier up here in Redding. But so far, just an Uber alone, $54. A couple of tips were put on, but I haven't gone through it yet. And it's, what time is it? It's 12:10. Where's my sunglasses? I mean, that's not too bad for one app. And then on the other ones, I think I made 12 in DoorDash and 20 or 30 in GrubHub, something like that. I'm gonna get up here somewhere and then turn on, at the very least, GrubHub, because DoorDash is being weird today. I'm thinking I'm gonna go jump over to this parking lot over here where Lowe's is, send out the thank you messages on Uber, and then get everything else turned on. Oh, look at that, new order for $5.25. Park. I think people are being a little cheap today. Man, it's just not my day in DoorDash. Well, after all that, I finally got an Uber order, but that's because I forgot to shut it off. Oops. There. The name on the order? Here. So, something you should do, especially after a week like this, that it's been slow and everything, make sure you enjoy the outdoors. That's where I'm going right now. I'm gonna go see the Sundial Bridge and kind of unwind a little bit, and then we can debrief once I find a place to sit down. Alright, now that we found a nice spot to sit, that's nice out here, we're gonna start off with the debrief. We're gonna start off with DoorDash. There, more sexy angle. Not gonna update right now. Maybe that's why I've been getting crap orders. Alright, so for today with DoorDash, gotta point it towards me. Let's see, today we made $12 and $19. So $12.75 plus, what was the other one? $19.25. We're gonna go plus. Didn't do Instacart today. Didn't do point pickup. Didn't do dumpling. Didn't do roadie. But we're gonna go to GrubHub first. All right, now we're gonna pull up earnings. Today we made $28.23. 23 cents. And plus, here's the big one. We're gonna pull up Uber. We made $68.52. That might not seem a lot to some people, but I've never made above 30 bucks on this app because I don't live in Redding and I don't get to play with this app as much. So we're gonna put that in, $68.52, and we come out to $128.75. There are a couple people that haven't tipped yet, so that number could easily change. Oh, well, I'm not gonna pull it up again, but $128.75 plus 15 because of the cash tips, and we come out to $143.75. And we're gonna divide that by, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 5 hours, and we did $28.75 an hour today. I call that a win after this week. This week has been horribly slow, not only just in DoorDash, but just all of them in general, except for today. It was pretty good. Well, DoorDash wasn't so great. I don't know what it has against me, but it didn't give me anything above $6. So I'm thinking I'm gonna enjoy this scenery a few more minutes. Then I'm gonna head back to my car and head back on home. I got a lot of things I gotta do because me and the boy are leaving this weekend. We're gonna head up to Oregon. We're gonna go to a birthday party and smoke cigars. Well, I'm gonna smoke the cigars, he's not. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that fun stuff. That helps me out greatly. And I will be back with more delivering here soon. I'm recording this on a Friday because I'm going to take this weekend off from recording and editing and all that. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.